In this video, I want to share with you 5 trending niches for Merch by Amazon. Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm a full-time print-on-demand seller. I make YouTube videos showing you how to make more money on Merch by Amazon and other print-on-demand platforms. If you like this kind of content and you get any value out of this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, click the bell, and like the video. Now, before I share with you those 5 trending niches for Merch by Amazon, just want to do a quick sales update. So it is Monday morning, May 20th, 9:42 a.m., sitting at 23 sales, $42 in royalties. That's going to put me at 1,331 sales for the month and almost $2,000 in royalties. If you want to follow me on Instagram, where I post my daily sales for both Merch by Amazon and Etsy, the link is in the description. I also post like gym pics, entrepreneur pics, lifestyle pics, just like my life down here in Mexico. I'm born and raised in Mill Valley, California, but I've been living in beautiful Puerto Vallarta, Mexico for the past 18 years. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into the content of the video. So if you've been following my channel, you know that lately I've been offering memberships. And one of the things that you receive as a member is you get these daily market updates. Let me just show you what I'm talking about right here. So every day I'll basically make a post about a market update. And basically I give you a trending niche. It comes with a prompt, etc., stuff like that. But this morning I was looking for a trending niche to post about for tomorrow for the members. And I actually found like 5 or 6. There's a whole bunch of trending niches right now. And I figured it would be better if I just make a video about it, and then I would just save the one that I would just save the niche that I thought was the best for the members only for tomorrow, to kind of maybe motivate some of you guys who might be on the fence to sign up and become a member. So let's go ahead and get into those niches, and just got to go back here. So the first trending niche that I saw is this one right here. That is, I've got that last day Riz. So this is a not back to school, but a last day of school niche right here. So this is it right here. I've got that last day Riz. If you don't know what Riz is, it's basically like a new slang word that all the cool kids are saying. It basically means like you're good with the ladies, good with the girls. There's only 16 results. And this is the type of designs I'm talking about right here. I've got that last day Riz. It doesn't look like it is trademarked. I've got that last day Riz. Nothing pops up. But one thing I just want to mention, you never want to take like my advice or take my word for it or trust anybody on the internet. You always want to do your best to keep your account safe. So always just, do your research. Really spend some time learning about trademarks, because if something were ever to happen to your account, it's really hard to get it back. So point here is just do your research. Don't take anybody's advice on the internet. But this is the niche right here. I've got that last day Riz. Like I said, super low in competition, only 12 results. And when we look at this design right here, it was just uploaded on May 15th, 2024. It looks like it already has an estimated 3 sales, so almost 1 a day. And this is the BSR right here, sitting at 1.1 million. All right, so that is the first trending niche to have for you, and is in the last day of school niche. I've got that last day Riz. And then the second trending niche I have for you for Merch by Amazon is a funny Father's Day one. And the phrase is, just a dad who always came back with the milk. You're going to have to use your imagination so you can kind of understand the phrase there. But this one has only 22 results. Here what some of the designs are looking like. Really simple, just text. And if we look at this one right here, we're going to see that it was just uploaded yesterday, May 19th. And it looks like it has 12 or 6 estimated sales. I don't really understand which number is correct or what the MI stands for. So if anybody knows, you can let me know. Just because I have a YouTube channel doesn't mean I know everything. You guys have taught me a lot of stuff. So if somebody knows, you can comment below. When I hover over the I here, nothing really pops up. But we can see that it was just uploaded. It's getting sales. It has a BSR. And it's for Father's Day. And Father's Day is a huge niche. Oh, I got an Etsy sale. Father's Day is a huge niche. It's the next big niche. So definitely want to get your Father's Day designs up. And it doesn't look like this is trademarked either, but remember, I'm just some random guy on the internet, so always do your research and keep your account safe. But that is going to be the second niche that I have for you, and it's this one right here, just a dad who always came back with the milk. And then the third trending niche I have for you for Merch by Amazon is going to be heteros are upsetteros. This is a gay pride or LGBT design, because we have Gay Pride Month coming up next month, and this is what the competition or the designs look like. Pretty simple designs, only 6 results. And this one right here, let's see when it was uploaded. So May 15th, that's like 5 days ago. Looks like it's already got 3 sales, has a good BSR. So this is another really good niche. Father's Day, this time of year is really good on Merch by Amazon. It's not as good as Q4, but it's pretty damn close. I mean, you got Father's Day, you got Gay Pride, you got Juneteenth, you got graduation. This is a really good time to be on Merch by Amazon. A lot of sales. But that is going to be the third niche to have for you. It's this one right here. The heteros are upsetteros. And then the next niche is going to be have a busting summer. So this is basically an end of the school year, last day of school or summer t-shirt. We're going to see it's a little higher in competition, 900 results. But this one, let me show you what the designs look like. But this one right here was just uploaded 2 days ago. So right here we're going to see May 18th, 2024. Already has 3 sales, got a good BSR. I'm not seeing anything trademarked. Shout out to whoever made this design. I think this is a really good looking design. Love the colors that you added there. Looks really good. So if the person who made this is watching this, good job on this design. But that's going to be the 4th niche I have for you. Have a busting summer bro. We know the bro word is working really well right now, especially with these end of the school year summer shirts. So that is the 4th trending niche I have for you. And then the 5th trending niche I have for you for Merch by Amazon is support the country you live in or live in where you support. If we take a look at the competition here, it's a little higher, so 787, but still not too bad. This is what the designs look like. I thought this could be trendy maybe because of what's happening at the border. I thought maybe it could be like a country song, but when I did a little research on Google, I didn't see anything. I don't see it being trademarked, but like I always keep saying, do your research. When we look at this design right here, it was just uploaded 2 days ago, or I'm sorry, 4 days ago, May 16, 2024. Already has 6 sales, pretty good BSR. So that is the 5th trending niche I have for you for Merch by Amazon. And then the last niche I'm actually going to be saving for tomorrow for my members only. That niche is in the back to school niche. I think it's one of the best ones. So hopefully that will motivate some of you guys who might be on the fence to sign up and become a member. Let me just show you what you guys get when you become a member. So right now you're going to see that I've been offering members on my channel. You just click on this join button right here. Let me just pause the video so it doesn't make any noise. Alright, so I'm offering 3 tiers, bronze, silver, and gold. Bronze is just a way to support the free content. You get loyalty badges, you get priority reply to comments, but the main value is going to be in the silver and the gold tiers. Now the silver is going to get you 4 videos a month or 1 a week. So like right here, I just put one out this morning. It's a members only video. And those videos are going to be about 5 to 10 low competition evergreen niches. Like right here, you can see 7 low competition niches. And they also come with prompts as well. So you get the niche, you get a prompt, so you can go ahead and make the design and upload it. And then you're also going to get those daily market updates. So like 2 other niches that have really kind of took over merch have been 2 political niches. One was is this one right here, bleach blonde, bad built. Like if we go back to or if we go to Flying Research, oh shoot, I'm gonna have to change it. But basically, there's a niche right now. It's this one right here. It's about Margarine Green Taylor. And right here. So this, see how this niche is kind of just taking over. It's like the first 3 rows. I actually posted about that niche yesterday, so you kind of will be able to get in early. Then there's another one also right here, which was free on Wednesdays. That's another one that also kind of took over. I posted about that one 3 days ago. So if you're into like trending niches and you want to get in on them early, I'd recommend you sign up and become a member. Every day you will get these daily market update posts about trending niches. Then you also get the 4 videos a month or 1 a week, like this right here. And then if you become a gold member, you're going to get everything in the silver package or in the silver tier, but then once a month you're going to get a Word file with 100 prompts for the following month. So today is, I think, May 20th. So if you become a gold member today on June 1st, you would get a Word file, 100 prompts for niches that will be trending in July. That way you'll have a month amount of time to prepare, get those niches up. I'm actually almost done with the Word file. I think I have like 70 or 75, so just about 20 or 30 more to go, and then I will get that to all you gold members. Now the cost for this is only $7 a month for the silver and only $10 for gold. I'm in Mexico, so that's why it says 99, but that's pesos. It's $7 for the silver, 10 for the gold. And then if for any reason the join button is not available in your country, I'm offering the exact same thing for the exact same price on Patreon. So right here you just click on Patreon and you can sign up that way. And then if you want to, if you're interested in purchasing a course for Merch by Amazon, if you're a beginner, I would highly recommend this course here. This is my Merch by Amazon for Beginners Masterclass. Basically just going to teach you everything that I've learned over the past 7 years. I'm not the best Merch by Amazon seller, but you can see I do pretty good. I'm doing about $100 a day. So like right here, $124, $99, $94, $104, $94, and already at $42, and it's 10 a.m. in the morning. So we're probably going to do another $100, maybe even more today. And then if you want some freebies, if you just go to the course right here and you click on my name, you can get like some, well, you can see the other courses that I offer, like for Etsy, 2 Etsy courses, Redbubble. But then I have these free prompts. I've been getting a lot of people downloading these, leaving some pretty good reviews, 7 reviews, 5 reviews. I just did this one for Redbubble yesterday. So here, those are some freebies that you can get. Download that for free. And yeah, you can enjoy those. Okay, so that's going to be it for today's video. Hope you guys like those niches. Comment below. Let me know what you guys think. And I will see you guys on the next one. Adios.